Hey there. If you're going to start a blog, you obviously need to start with a domain name. So if you're not sure what exactly you want to do or what you want to call your site, there are a couple of sites you can go to go and try and brainstorm a couple of ideas. So let's say, for instance, you want to start a hobby site to do with, let's say you do woodworking. So let's go and check this one site. I've got 3 for you to choose from. The first one is called nameboy.com. The second one is called domainwheel.com. And the third one is called namemesh.com. So let's go and plug in, say you do woodworking for crates or ornamental woodworking. Let's go and see what kind of keywords come up, or what kind of domain name ideas come up. I'm going to do ornate and then ornamental woodworking, and let's see what pops up, right? So as you can see, ornate woodworking is not available as a .com, but you could choose from a .net, .org, .co or .io. Or you can keep looking at different kind of extensions. So let's go and look at one of the other websites. Let's try something different. Ornamental woodworking. The thing that you want to do is try and keep it as short as possible. So in this case, this is a bit long. I wouldn't actually go with this, but this is just to give you some ideas of how to go and look for ideas for your domain. Okay, ornamentalwoodworking.com doesn't seem to be. Oh, it is available. So you could choose any of those. Plus, you can also look at other variations that are a bit shorter. That could work for you. Anyhow, the idea is to just go plug in your hobby name that you want to do. Let's say, for instance, you do crafts in the paper mache crafts. Paper mache creations is there. You could probably also do the .com. See if .com is available. So if the .com that you want is not available, they give you other ideas. Like here, paper mache craft, that's a good one. Paper mache or rag mache, no. I would probably go for the first one there, paper mache crafts. That's a good one that you could register. Even paper mache skills is a good one. Mache crafts, that's a good one. Short and sweet. Anyhow, once you've found a domain name that you like, you can go quickly register it or look for other alternatives. What I like about these sites is they give you plenty of ideas you can play around with. All you need to do is figure out what you want to do. Whatever your hobby is, whatever business idea you've got, take it and plug it into one of these 3 sites until you come up with a perfect domain name. That's actually all I want to speak to you about today, is coming up with a domain name for your website. And from here, I want to show you where to go and register it. So just to recap, the 3 sites you can go look at to get a decent idea for a business name is nameboy.com, domainwheel.com, and namemesh.com to get ideas. Once you've got your domain name, come back to me and let's take it one step further. We're then going to go and register your domain name. Once you've got your domain name, head over to bluehost.com. You'll need to obviously sign up for an account. So go sign up. I would suggest you start with the very basic, which is $2.95 a month. And you can always upgrade as you need to. Go select basic. Remember, we saw Michelle Craft as the one idea, and I said it was a good idea. Let's see if it's here. So what you need to do is put in all your details here, choose your plan. You can do either basic or annual, or do month to month. Your choice. You get to choose everything you want. I would obviously steer away from any extras. Add in your details and click next. Just remember to click that you've read and accepted Bluehost terms and conditions, and continue. When you've done that, you're going to be taken through to another page. I'll show you shortly. Obviously, once you've signed up and you have your domain sorted out, you'll then end up on the home page where you can then see your registered domain. That is all I actually want you to do for today, because what happens is once you've bought a domain, it takes 24 hours for it to propagate. That just means that it takes 24 to 48 hours for the domain name to become visible online. And it's only then that you can go in and install WordPress on your new domain. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.